while I'm inside the car, using it as my tool for my workbench. You can see these, well, can you? Dark spots. That's where I've welded. Oops. The remains of a plastic clip broken. Anyway, the wiring harness goes here. It's actually quite safe where it is. I wasn't sure just where the heat was going to come. It's hard to gauge sometimes. Better safe than sorry. It's not the first time I've melted, but I've put a brick and peeled everything up. There's a lot of sand in the bottom here for some reason. Possibly the reason the car is so rusty. It was spent a lot of time at the beach. Yeah. Pulled the wiring away from the floor while I was welding. There's nothing I can do about that. Is actually, I don't know if you can see there, this stuff is glued to the bottom of the car. And yep, that's just where I'm going to start welding now. So I really need to peel this bit of carpet back. Well, as you can see, it does get hot on the inside. It needs to get hot on the inside. And it's welded, yeah. There's it slightly narrower. I might get away with it on this side because it's not quite so wide. As you can see here, as it comes in, there's a wee bit dips out under that. I'll just tack and slowly do that. The longer you weld in one place, the hotter it gets, and the more chance there is of setting things on fire. So, just as I opened the door, I remembered I wanted to point that out for you. It didn't actually go anywhere near the... well, no, I've just put it inside. I've bent up this panel ready to go in. Aye. Oh, look at the carbon on. It's not perfect. It doesn't need to be. It's almost impossible to get perfect through it. It needs to be close enough that I can tack it in certain places. I'll probably get this back bit tacked in, and then I can hammer the front bit. Actually, I'll get this back bit, just push it, tack it, and then just a wee doddy weld there, another wee doddy weld as it goes up. Get it in place. Once it's in place, I think, looking at this, I am going to make up just a wee L bracket. Weld it. Just a wee L bracket there. Cover those holes. Once this is secured, I can hammer, just work my way along to the end and get it all tacked tight. Just hammer what I do. Put the screwdriver where near to a tack. I've tacked it up to here. Show you. Get up to here, hammer the screwdriver. The edge. I need to get the edges close. Tack it again, tack it, hammer it, get it close, tack it again, and so on, all the way around. The same with this. It just gives. I'm going to grind this bit off just now. It takes a while to grind back the weld. Then if there's any more welding to do, I can just do it just now. Once I've ground this off with all this, then well, this plant over. Just changing. Right.